how to print a pyramid pattern in Java. Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, in this video, we have used loops. So primarily, we have used two nested loops. The first loop simply adds spaces to the center of the stars, and the second prints the actual stars in the growing pattern. This one prints a pyramid of 4 rows, but you can change the value to make it bigger, simple, classic, and great for practicing loops. So as you can see right here, we have created like two nested loops right here, that is intj and intk. So now this should view something like this. So once you select run, it should view or comment the pyramid format right here. You can also change the symbol and make it as ubrunt. And there you have it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.